Hello everyone, I'm Nima and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to tie a neckerchief, necktie, or a cravat. So let's get into it. Okay, so your neckerchief should look like this, a big triangle. And the first thing that you should do, this side has to point towards you, towards your stomach, okay? Then you would just do it like this. And you have to basically fold it over and over again. There we go. That. Just like this. And if you run an iron over this, it would stay like this and it won't unfold at all. There you go. You have your neckerchief ready to be tied. Okay, so now that we have folded our neckerchief, I just wanted to talk about what a neckerchief is, what a cravat is. It's basically part of a professional chef's uniform, and here at the CIA, it's actually required for your kitchen classes. It's part of your dress code, and you must have it on when you have a kitchen class. The chefs don't actually look for, they don't check the tie of your neckerchief, but you must have it on whenever you have a kitchen class. And if they notice that you don't have your neckerchief on, you're in big trouble. So there are two ways to tie your neckerchief. I will show you both ways actually. The one is the right way, the one that you should tie your neckerchief, and the other is basically a easier version of the right way, okay? So you would put this in the back of your neck, just like this, and one side has to be shorter than the other side. Not this much and not this much that you barely can see it. Just a little bit, 2 inches or so. First of all, the longer side has to go over the shorter side, or the shorter side goes under the longer side, okay? Just like this. And then the longer side goes under and over the shorter side, under and over the shorter side, right? And the longer side goes under, it goes here, right, it's right here. And now you can see there is a loop right here. So this longer side goes in this loop, and you basically just take it out from here. There you go, you have a nice neckerchief, and you can basically tighten it just like this. Now this is the right way to tie a neckerchief, right? It's very easy. If you practice 2 or 3 times, you'll get it. It's so easy. This is the right way. Now, if you want to release it, just pull. There you go. Easy, right? Now, the easier way to tie a neckerchief. So basically the same way, you put it behind your neck. One side has to be a little bit shorter than the other side. The longer side goes over the shorter side, like this. And this longer side goes under, but it doesn't go over this time. It goes up here. And then just like that. This is another way to tie a neckerchief. This is it, right? But in my opinion, the first way is the right way is better. It just looks better. So I'm going to show you guys one more time how to tie it the right way again, okay? So you put it behind your neck, just like this. One side a little bit shorter. Longer side goes over the shorter side. Longer side goes under and over. It goes under right here. You take it out. And this loop right here, you just take it, and there you go. You can tighten it like that. There you go. And whenever you want to have your chef white on, it just looks very professional. Alright everyone, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned how to tie your neckerchief. And if you want to support me, make sure to like my videos as you watch them. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, and until the next video, I will see you all later.